Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I've got a quick PlayStation 5 tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to enable 3D audio for your headphones here on your PlayStation 5, giving you a fantastic dynamic audio experience. So let's go ahead, dive right into it. So the first thing we need to do is get into our settings here on our PlayStation 5. So head up to the top here, you'll see the search option, and then right next to it is the settings option. It's a little gear or sprocket there. Go ahead and hit X on your controller. That will take you into the PlayStation 5 settings. And then from here, we're going to scroll down. Roughly in the middle here, you'll see the sound option. Go ahead and select that. So hit X. That will take you into your sound options. And then from here, we're going to scroll down. You'll see 3D audio for your TV speakers, but we're looking for 3D audio for our headphones right here. 3D audio headphones. Again, go ahead and hit X. The box will move off to the right, and you can see enable 3D audio for your headphones is grayed out. So this is where we'll need to connect our headphones. I'm using some Sony headphones. I'm going to go ahead and connect those. And once I do that, you can see that that goes white. So now we can select that option and the sound moves from my console into my headphones. So now we can go ahead and hit X here on that option. You can see it turns on. Now there are a few different options in here. So first off, we'll scroll down. You can go down to listen and compare. We'll hit X. And from here, I can go back and forth. So currently in my headphones, it's 3D audio. If I go off to the left here and hit X, it switches it back to stereo. So I can listen and see what the difference is. Now down here as well, it's kind of blocked a little bit. It says create 3D audio profile. We could go ahead and select that, and that would make a custom profile for 3D audio. I'm just gonna hit circle and go back out because we can do that out here as well. So we can create a personalized 3D audio profile. So if we hit X and hit get started, this will customize it for our headphones. So we can actually hit start measurement here, and that would do the actual measurement for our 3D profile. But I'm going to do a practice round here to show you what it's like. So again, hit X. I can hear all the dynamic sound in my headphones. And it's going to ask me a few questions. So it's going to ask me where the sound's coming from. And I can move the controller around. This one sounds like it's coming from the center. This one sounds like it's coming from the upper left. We'll hit X there. And this one's going across kind of at that angle. And this one's going across at that angle. So you can just hit the pad here left and right to get the right angle, and then just go ahead and hit X. And that will complete the profile. Now again, that was the practice one. You can do the full measurement here, and that one takes a little bit longer. I'll just back out. You haven't finished your practice round yet. Do you want to quit? Yes. Now, once you've completed that profile, you can actually apply your personalized 3D profile right here. I've actually done one already, so we'll just go ahead and turn that on. And now my personalized profile is all set up. And really, it's that simple to turn on 3D audio for your headphones here on your PlayStation 5. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care.